Well, hello out there. Welcome to my channel. Hey, if you're a return subscriber, thanks for coming back, and I appreciate you taking some time out of your day today to watch this. If you're new to my channel, please like and subscribe. I guarantee it's an adventure you'll remember forever, or torture you'll want to avoid forever. Today's the day. Yes, the votes are in, they've been tallied, and today we named a squirrel. If you remember, the girl squirrel up here in the Baderhood was nut job. And that squirrel that's such a pain in the butt down in the shop, why, he was called Stupid Squirrel. But even before we get to their names, I got a package. It was an unexpected package, and it was one of those types of packages, you know, that you get that when you open it, it just absolutely floored you. I was flabbergasted. I didn't know what to say. I had to sit there and stare at it. It means a lot, and it's going to be treasured forever. Everybody in this bait making community are fantastic people. You couldn't ask for a better group of people. Everybody's positive and friendly, and everybody loves each other in these videos and the chats, and it doesn't get any better than that. There's a few that stand out, kind of like our friend Rails. Most of you know him as Mike at Bar Down Baits, but he's always off the rails, so why not call him Rails? Well, he kind of picked up on a nickname that I got when I was learning to ski with the prosthetic, and that's Trainwreck, because if I could hit something, I was gonna hit it. There was not a safe person, lift pole, or tree, a rock, a shrub, anything around. I was going to wreck into it. And I did. Many, many times. So I call him Rails. He calls me Trainwrecks. It's all in good fun, right? But I get home from a little trip taking one of my buddies fishing. And in the mailbox was this package from Rails. Let's take a look. As many of you know, Mike was a professional hockey player and played for a good number of teams and in several countries, which is pretty exciting. And to make it as a pro hockey player is pretty difficult. I mean, you got to be one of the best of the best of the best to get there. And so he sent me something very special. He sent me one of his cards, and he signed it. To Carl, keep the train on the tracks. Pretty cool. He sent me the Mike Muller card here. Talks about what he did in his career and what he's doing and stuff. Pretty great cards, and I love the cards. And he sent me some of his stickers. Now, he's got some really cool stickers, so I got some plans for one of these. And the cabinet gets one and the boat gets one. So this is going to be great. But in addition to that, you notice what the squirrel is wearing? You got it. A Mike Muller hockey jersey. He sent a hockey jersey for the squirrel. Can you imagine that? So she's been lounging around in it. She thinks it's pretty cool. But in addition to that, he also sent for me one of his jerseys. And to me, this thing is priceless. We'll get it up here. You can see it. Got to get the logo in there, the team team logo. Little mosquito up there getting ready to smack somebody upside the chops with a hockey stick. I think that's what happened to Mike Timer 3. And then on the back is his number and his name. Here's number 8. So, and this is really cool because this is one of his jerseys from overseas, and you notice the jersey's really busy with a lot of advertisements. Toyota, you know, and Lexus, and Nissan, and it. When you're overseas, to pay the players and stuff, they get sponsors for their teams, and so they fill their jerseys with sponsors, kind of much like we do in fishing. If you're in a pro circuit, you get sponsors that help you pay for stuff. And then you put that on your fishing shirts. So I have ordered a display box, one of the shadow boxes for this jersey, and as soon as that gets in, you will see this jersey hung up here in the shop, probably on display, coming from none other than Mike Rails Muller. What a great thing to get. I mean, you cannot beat a jersey. That means a lot. Thank you, Mike. I sure appreciate it. And the squirrel, seeing as how we can't call her stupid squirrel anymore, she seems pretty attached to it as well. So we'll get this hung up for now. I'm going to put these away here so that I can get them taken care of. And finally, it's the 1st of July. The polls are in. They're all complete. And we get to find out what the squirrels were named. And unfortunately, stupid squirrel didn't make it.
Squirrel! Squirrel!
So let's go over here to our community page. Name the girl squirrel in the baiter hood. And we have to name the boy squirrel down in the shop. There are 2 squirrels. So I had to separate them because when you had them together, holy mackerel, that was bad. So for the boy squirrel down in the shop, we had Jake, as in the Blues Brothers, Jake, 20%. Harvey, that was another suggestion, 0%. But Havoc, 80%. So the boy squirrel down in the shop is now known as Havoc. Havoc the squirrel.
Squirrel.
So let's get on to this one. The girl squirrel up here in the baiter hood. Bloomers didn't get any vote. The Nutty Professor. That's kind of a cool one. Nutty, N-U-T-T-Y. So 20%. And Nut Job, 80%. So from now on, your name is Nut Job. It appears she likes it.
Squirrel.
Welcome to the baiter hood, Nut Job. Thanks for taking some time out of your day to find out the results of the Name the Squirrels. I really appreciate each of you joining me on these adventures, crazy as they may be. This has been fun. This has been a great community, and I'm glad I'm part of it. Hey, until the next time I see you, remember, if you're ready for the fight, trigger the strike.
Sank in the mud, moon's just a busted bowl. Breath held on the dock edge, every heartbeat dull and loud. Cold steel in my palm, knuckles scarred and tight. Line cuts through that black glass as I aim into the night. In the silence they're watching, every movement matters. One tremor on that surface, and I'm the next one scattered. Trigger the strike, yeah. Trigger the strike. DVL Custom Lures, built for the fight. Cast it deep, let it fall, built to hunt through it all. In the dark where they hide. DVL strike mode, lit precision, engineered to bite. DVL, built for the strike. Stumps like crooked teeth, old bones on the lake floor. Something mean down there, never seen the bank before. I feed it one small sin, chrome flash, blood red eyes. Let that monster taste it, then I rip it to the sky. In the silence they're watching, every movement matters. One heartbeat, one mistake, and they drag me to the black hole. Trigger the strike, hey, trigger the strike.